and we can find my series of worksheets. Okay, looks like we're almost in business here. Okay, so when we're talking about directional or positional words at the grocery store, in general, we're talking about left and right, as you can see, and top, middle, bottom. Now, I know that most grocery stores have more than 3 shelves, but we're just going to simplify by just talking top, middle, and bottom in this lesson. Along with this video, I will have these worksheets attached to the email that I send you with this lesson. The first worksheet has a picture, as you can see, of 2 shelves with the top, middle, bottom, and left and right marked. And you're basically going to ask these following questions. Use the following directional and positional words from the box to describe where each item is located. Okay, excuse me. So it says, which shelf is the left, and which is the right? And they've got pictures, and there's peaches and peanut butter. So if we go and look at the picture, you can see that the peaches are over here on the left. The peanut butter is also on the left, okay? So you would write the word left in this space right here for your student. Down here we've got salt, and I think that says macaroni. We're gonna go back up, or maybe it says spaghetti. I'm not sure, I can't really see it. And we're gonna see that the salt is over here, the macaroni is over here. So the salt would be on, let's look at the top of the shelf, the right shelf. The macaroni is on the left shelf. And then you would go and do the rest of them, left and right. And then on this one is top, middle, bottom. Which shelf are those on? Then the next worksheet has cut out the pictures below, read and follow the numbered steps in order. It says to put the jar of mayo on the left side of the top shelf. So let's look for the mayo. It's down here. You're going to cut that out, and you're going to take that piece and you're going to put it, where did it say? On the left side of the top shelf. So when we look at the shelf, we see the top one is this empty one up here, and over here is the left. So you're going to glue that piece, that little picture of the mayo over there. The next instruction, number 2, put the ketchup on the shelf next to the mustard. So we're going to cut out the ketchup. We're supposed to put it next to the mustard. The mustard is on the middle shelf, so we're going to take that ketchup and place it right there. The next instruction says, put the jelly on the bottom shelf. So we will cut those 2 jars of jelly out, and it says to put it on the bottom shelf. So we're going to put it down here on the bottom shelf next to the peanut butter. Now it has put the honey on the top shelf next to the mayo, but I don't, oh, there's the honey right here. We're going to cut the honey out, sorry about that. And we're going to put it like it says, to put the honey on the top shelf next to the mayo. So we're going to put it over here. The next worksheet talks about cutting. Okay, you've got to cut the dotted lines like you would. You put 2 cereal square boxes on the top shelf. So let's have a look at what we've cut out here. 2 cereal squares. This is cereal squares. So there's 1, there's 2. You're going to take those 2 and you're going to put them on the top shelf right here. The next instruction says, put 5 O's cereal boxes in the middle, on the middle shelf. So down here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's boxes. We're going to put them, like it said, on the middle shelf right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of O cereal on the middle shelf. Number 4 says put 3 cereal balls boxes on the bottom shelf. Here's the cereal balls, 1, 2, 3. They'll be cut out and we were supposed to put them on the bottom shelf. Right here's the bottom shelf. The next worksheet says put 2 more cans of pineapples and 2 cans of cherries on the top shelf. So 2 more cans. So there's already 2 cans on the top shelf. We have to put 2 more. So down here, where's the pineapple? There's a pineapple, and here's a pineapple. We're going to cut those out, and we're going to put those 2 pineapples next to the other 2 pineapple cans. 1, 2. Then it says to put 2 cans of cherries on the top shelf. So we're going to look. Oh, there's a can of cherries. Where's our other can? Oh, there's the other can of cherries. We're going to cut those 2 out and put those 2 cans of cherries next to the 2 cans of pineapples that we just put on the top shelf. Put 3 cans of corn and 3 cans of peas on the middle shelf. So we'll find the corn. There's the can of corn. There's the can of corn. And there's the can of corn. 3 cans of corn. It says to put them on the middle shelf. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3 cans of corn on the middle shelf. And then we're supposed to put 3 cans of peas on the middle shelf. So where are our peas? There's 1 can, 2 cans, and I'm going to have to move myself because I'm in the way. 3 cans. Those are cut out, and we're going to put those, where did it say? It said the middle shelf. 1, 2, 3. Then the last instruction says put 4 cans of carrots on the bottom shelf. So we've got our cans of carrots are 1, 2, 3, 4, cut out, and we're going to put them on the bottom shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I know that you are going to be at home, but you can have your student help you arrange your pantry. Or you, if you're listening to me, student, you can arrange your mom's pantry for her. You can help her by putting the cans on the top, and the middle, and the bottom shelf, or on the left, or on the right. These are all good words for you to learn in whatever job you take. Even if you don't work in a grocery store, you're still going to need to know these directional or positional concepts like top, middle, bottom, left, or right. Hopefully you enjoyed this exercise and you learned better, or you know better how to use the terms left and right, and top, middle, and bottom.